In this video, I'm going to show how you can easily delete blocked contacts on WhatsApp without unblocking them. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So, let's get started. And first off, up WhatsApp app. As you can see, I got blocked contacts here. And now, let me show you how you can easily delete that contact. Without unblocking, you may try to go into settings, then privacy, and then blocked. On that step, it will show you all blocked contacts on that WhatsApp profile. And from here, you can, by swiping to the left, unblock any of that contacts. However, there is no option to delete those contacts. To do that, go back to chats, and then just survive to that left on that conversation with that contact. If you can't find the conversation, you can swipe down and the source for that contact. Once you find it, swipe to the left, then hit it more, and then delete chat. It will ask you if you want to delete this chat, or you can archive it instead. Select one of these two options, and then just tap on it to remove. Now you can write down in the comments if you have any questions about that tutorial. Hit the like button if you like that video, and I see you in the next one.